Welcome to our water treatment system, treating domestic water. Taking city water here, which is inconsistent in hardness, sulfur and other things, and making it perfectly consistent. And it's the goal of this system. The city water is incoming to this charcoal filter, removing chlorine down through charcoal. We follow that with a bag filter, which is hiding right back there. From the bag filter we proceed on to our rain water softener, and from the water softener we enter a couple pleated filters that are entering our RO system. This is a reverse osmosis system that strips the water down to about 3 to 4 parts per million, pH of 5.5 to 6, and that is where we have to add calcium back in, bring the pH back up. And that is this tank here. This is our calcifier tank. And the water is then pushed from here over the doorway into a set of storage tanks. 1,100 gallons worth of storage. And we control the quality of the water, how much pH to put in. When by using this probe here, we have a pH probe. And this guy, when water is flowing, reports to our Rosemount analyzer, and that in turn tells our control panel 1 what it thinks. Control panel 1 tells our valve how far to open or close to control the mix from our calcifier. So as we make our low pH water, our calcifier in automation controls this valve, puts in perfect water into these tanks, pH of whatever we choose up here on our panel. That panel is real nice to use. We just punch in a number and that's the water we make. From these storage tanks we pump out from a pressure system. Here again to our bladder tank and out to the house. Behind the bladder tank here is a bypass so that we can take our bypass our entire system. Should we have some kind of catastrophic failure here, we can push city water directly into the house, bypassing our pressure system and everything else. In case of catastrophic failure, there you have it. That is our water treatment system, making domestic water perfect.